Hello. Today we are going to discuss about hardware and software. Let's start. Hardware are those components of computer which have some physical existence and we can touch those components. Those components are known as a hardware. Examples of hardware are input devices like keyboard, mouse, scanner, light pen, joystick, and output devices, for example printers, plotters, then CPU, central processing unit, are also example of hardware, and secondary storage devices, example magnetic tape, magnetic disk, floppy disk, and optical disk. These all are the example of hardware. After that, software is a set of programs that govern the operation of a computer system and make the hardware run. Basically, software is a set of program which is used to perform the operations by the computer. And if we want to use any hardware with our computer, then we need to install the corresponding software to use that hardware. An example of software are operating systems, Windows, Macintosh, Linux, then drivers. If we want to attach printer with our computer or laptop, then we need to install the driver of that printer in our computer. Then device drivers are also example of software. Then text editors and antivirus. These are the example of software. After that, there is difference between hardware and software. First difference is in hardware, physical parts of computer are called hardware. Physical parts means those part of computer which have some physical existence, those are known as a hardware. And software, a set of programs, is known as a software. Then there is a second difference. In hardware, we can touch, we can see, we can feel hardware because hardware has physical existence, but we know that software does not has the physical existence, so we can't touch and feel the software. After that, in hardware is constructed using physical materials, but software is developed by writing instructions in programming languages, for example C++, Java, Python. These programming languages are used to develop software. And then in hardware, computer is hardware which operates under the control of a software. We have discussed right now. If we want to use any hardware with our computer, then we need to install the corresponding software in our computer. And in software, the operations of computer are controlled under through software. The next difference in hardware, if hardware is damaged, it is replaced with new hardware. But in case of software, if software is damaged or corrupted, its backup copy can be reinstalled. For example, if we have installed Windows operating system in our computer or laptop and Windows has damaged or corrupted, then we can reinstall Windows operating system, which is a software we can reinstall in our computer. Then next difference, hardware is not affected by computer viruses, but software is affected by computer viruses. Then next difference in hardware, users cannot make new duplicate copy of the hardware. The end users cannot make the duplicate copy of the hardware. Only manufacturers can make the duplicate copy of the hardware. But in case of software, users can make many new duplicate copies of the software. Then example of hardware, keyboard, mouse, monitor, CPU, etc. Then examples of software are operating system, compiler, and interpreter. So this was all about hardware and software. I hope this topic is clear now. Thank you.